How to use Interlibrary Loan Service. With the new Interlibrary Loan Service, eligible users can request items from institutions other than HKU libraries, including other 7 UGC-funded university libraries in Hong Kong and institutions worldwide. In Find at HKUL, select Beyond HKU and search for your desired item. Or, you can click on Expand your search if your desired item is not found in HKU libraries. Then, select the item and click on Request. Fill in any applicable information, such as the required chapter title, the volume and the page number. Choose a pickup location if you are requesting a physical copy. Note that interlibrary loan requests are not available under these circumstances. 1. You have reached the maximum ILL loan or request quota. 2. An item available in HKU libraries cannot be requested through the Interlibrary Loan Service. If your item is not listed, click on Looking for a specific item that you can't find, or click on Blank Form to submit a request if no physical or digital copy is available. Fill in the form with as much information as possible to better locate your item. Click to send the request and you should see the message "The request was successfully submitted." Go to My Account at HKUL to check the status of your request. Email notifications will be sent to you when the requested item is ready. For more details, you may visit this page.